United Remediation Technology is a U.S.-based company that produces products for the purpose of cleaning up oil and fuel spills all over the world. They utilize all natural ingredients and technology derived from NASA's space program so that petroleum spills can be handled in a safe and natural way with no harmful effects to the environment.
Hi, my name is Alan Cook. I'm based in South Africa. I've been using PRP for over 10 years now. It is the most awesome product when it comes to absorbing oil in wet environments like in mangrove forests, rivers, creeks, estuaries, on the shoreline. Cleaning up the spill is so easy with the product. I've yet to see a better product. We've been in the well spill response game for 25 years. Awesome product.
You can read several testimonials on their website, but one major rail system said their product reduced our hydrocarbons by 95%. For more information, please visit their website, UniremInc.com, or call them at 412-788-2444.